Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all fine. Today we will learn how to do classification in Weka, how we can apply different filters, how we can apply different classification algorithms. So let's proceed. First, I will open Explorer, open file, upload my data, labor. I have chosen a labor dataset. Open. Here you can see we have 57 instances, 8 attributes. First is wages, increase first year, wages increase second year, working hours, contribute to dental plan, contribute to health plan, class. This is our class. We have two labels, bad or good. Firstly, we will choose a filter. Here you can see filter, supervise, unsupervised, all filter, multi-filter. Actually, all filter and multi-filter is simply a way of combining different filters. You can apply different filters together and evaluate a result. And on the other hand, supervise and unsupervised. Actually, in a simple word, you can say that supervised filter use class values for operation, and unsupervised filter do not use class value for operation. Here we are going to apply unsupervised discretize filter. Okay, after applying, you can see, okay, down at the bottom you can see the confluent matrix, this one. We can see the main diagonal because it indicates the correct classification. The confluent matrix is not that much bigger. Okay, now I want to apply an other classifier to check the difference or accuracy. I apply navy bias. J48 give us 89% correctly classified instance, but navy bias give us 94. That's very great. It's a great difference, and this is the work which we want to do, evaluation, applying the classifier algorithms, and which show the best result. We calculate, evaluate our result. Now I want to try, or I can try anyone. So SM, start. Oops, it's not selected. SM, start. Now you can see that SMO gives best result, more accuracy, more correct classify instance, 98% than the previous one. Okay, if you click on this, you can visualize the tree. Okay, right click, fit to screen. Okay, you can do it for each classifier you want, but some classifier do not have a trees because it is, you can see that navy bias visualize tree because it is not a tree algorithm, so we can't have that opportunity, or we don't have the tree for this algorithm, for this classifier. Okay, such as SMO, trees are only for trees classifier. Okay, or if you want to save the model, you can save it, given any name. Okay, and you can save it. I have not placed my file on the proper destination. C program file Weka, the main folder of the Weka. When you install this setup, you can place on that proper direction, then it will appear okay, and you can use this data for testing on another dataset. After this, you can also check the properties, check the capabilities, get the more information about these classifiers as well. Here is the more option. You can do the changings as you want for the better result, but I think we have the better result, 98%. It's great. Then move towards the visualize. You can simply double click on this window. This is the visualization window. These are the individual instance. You can get the information about an individual instance. If you want, you can double click on it. Okay, here I can get the information about the instance number 14. This is this information all about instance number 23, instance 53. Okay, you can also change the x-axis and also the y-axis if you want to know different information. Here is one more thing, jitter. Jitter is used to distinguish between the points which are very close together. Suppose when we increase it a bit, okay, now you can see show the points or instance which are very closer to each other. Their information is shown, and when you apply this, you can see that the bold one, okay, so you double click on the bold one. It will simply show the instance information like this. You can get this show the instance which are very closer to each other in a one panel, in a one instance information panel. Okay, so that's all for the classification. First we do pre-processing, then we apply the filter, get the knowledge about the filter, then apply the classifier algorithm. We evaluate that SOM give us the better results than the navy by the J48. We apply the 3 classifier algorithms. The cross validation is 10 folds. Percentage split, if you want to do percentage split, you can also do percentage split, but it's done for the dataset which are not already tested. We have tested our data, so we use training set, but if the dataset is new, it is not tested, then you can do percentage split for it. Okay, so that's enough for the today classification. Next, my topic is clustering. I will share my clustering topic with you, and at the end of the whole session I will share some projects with you, larger dataset, larger results, so you can do it in your research paper. You can evaluate the results, evaluate the findings, get the result, train your dataset, test your dataset, and write a research paper on it. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, do comment, share or read reviews, and do subscribe my channel. Okay, take care of yourself. Goodbye.